How to remove underline while typing on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can remove underline while typing on Android. So without any further ado, let's get started. First off, launch the settings in your Android device. Now tap in the search bar and then type in Gboard. Then tap on the second option, that is Gboard Multilingual Typing, and tap on it. Here again tap on Gboard. Now on the settings of Gboard, scroll down and then type or tap in text correction. Under text correction, scroll down, and on the spelling and grammar there is a toggle that is turned on here that says spell check. Now to turn off or to remove underline while writing or while typing in Android keyboard, you have to turn off this toggle. Now you will not notice any type of underline while you type in your Android keyboard. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.